Hello everyone, welcome to Supreme GIS. In this video, we will learn about how to create a new project in HEC-RAS and how to handle its projection. So, click on HEC-RAS. First, go to the options, set the unit system, select SI, System International. Okay, yes. See, SI unit appears here. Now, you have to save your project. Click on File, Save Project As. Here you can go to the drive in which you want to save. I'm selecting the folder and I'm giving the title of this project. It is flood underscore model. Okay. See, flood underscore model dot prj. Here prj is in smaller case. It is for project. It stands for project. So click on OK. And here you can also create new folder. If you want to save your project in some other folder, you can create it. Just click on OK. Project name will appear here. Now I'll explore some options which are very much important in this. This option is called RAS mapper. This is one of the most important for uploading GIS data and viewing it. And these are other options like geometry data, view and edit. This is view and edit steady flow. This is view and edit unsteady flow data and many more. So first we have to set the product projection for this project. So we have to go to the RAS mapper, select set projection, and here you can choose the projection file, which is in the form of shape file itself, which has got the projection. So I am taking this. See, this flood model.prj is not the projection file. You have to take it from shapefile itself, predefined or previously available shapefile, which has got the projection. So I have this LULC, land use land cover shapefile. For this project, I'm using the same projection. Okay, and open. Say WGS 1984 UTM zone 43 north. Apply. Okay. Now the projection has been set for this project. Suppose you don't have the projection file or projection shape file. So how can you give projection to your project? Just click on project, set projection, and click on this link and search for your projection. My UTM zone is 43 north, WGS 84 43 north. So I'm searching for that. Search. See, this one I have to select this, and this .prj you have to download. Just click on this and it will download. Just then You can go and browse to this. See, these are the same files. Open, and you can see WGS 1984 UTM zone. First, you must know the UTM zone of your project. Apply. Okay. You can give it, I have uh, explained you two methods. Either you can do it with the shapefile, or you can get it from spatialreference.org. Apply. Okay. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe Supreme GIS.